Welcome back to Learning with a Difference, news headlines in English for 1st of September. And first of all, national news. Assam to hold brainstorming session Chintan Shivir for ministers, officials next month. Indian Chinooks operating normally, sources said after US grounds them. First Arunachal climber to scale Mount Everest, missing near China border. Prime Minister will reveal new naval flag on Friday. The current ensign features a prominent cross of St. George, the national flag of England. India on Wednesday reported over 7,000 new COVID cases. India will formally commission its first home-built aircraft carrier on Friday with the Vikrant's entry. India can deploy an aircraft carrier on both its eastern and western seaboards. Will find ways to give Indians visas in speedy way, said German ambassador. And now some international news. Zombie ice from Greenland glaciers may lead to rise in sea level by 10 inches. Pakistan floods, the millions of people affected by the floods facing major health crisis. Russia announced military drills with China, others, US said, concern. Vostok 2022 military exercises will be held from September 1st to 7. Taiwan's China policymaker delayed US trip amid important domestic affairs. Cambodian psychiatrist and French environmentalist were among the winners Wednesday of the 2022 Raymond Magsaysay Award, considered Asia's Nobel Prize. NASA to make second attempt to launch next generation moon rocket on Saturday. No warships allowed, said island nation. Ban on foreign military vessels docking in Solomon Islands applies to all countries. And now some sports news. India, Pakistan fined for maintaining slow over rate in Asia Cup clash. Andrea Petkovic announced retirement after US Open loss to Belinda Bencic. Asia Cup, Bhubaneswar looked to surpass teammate to reach Big T20 international landmark for India. News related to business. Asia stocks struggle as FED tightening fears flare. Zomato begin pilot project for intercity delivery of iconic dishes, CEO. India's stock, forex and money markets closed after soaring in previous session. India to commission first home-built carrier but short of jets on deck. April to July, fiscal deficit at $42.91 billion. PNB hikes lending rates by 0.05% across tenors from September 1. Economy grew 13.5% in June quarter, fastest pace of expansion in a year. And let's have a look on weather of New Delhi. On 1st September, the temperature of New Delhi at the daytime will reach to 36 degrees Celsius and it will drop to 27 degrees Celsius at night. And that's all in news. Thank you to all of you.